Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little lip swatch video. It's going to be on these three glosses from Tarte. They're called the Tarte H2O gloss. I just have three colors here. I have more colors, but I can't find them. I have more colors, but I can't find them. I bought this in a box, and I believe I bought it if it was like a little set for like presents and stuff. I think they came in a set of 5. I'll link it down for you so you can see the actual set and the other, I think, 2 colors that come with this. So if you're interested in seeing what these colors look like on my lips, just keep watching. I'm going to take off what I have on my lips right now. I'm not going to put any liner under the gloss so you can see the actual color and what it looks like. This is the first color I have right here. It's called Blitzen. I brought you guys in closer so I could try them on. So the next one is this one right here. It's like a violet. It's called Room Service. This color is so pretty. I didn't think I was gonna like it on my lips, and honestly, it looks so good. It makes my lips look juicy. And the third color that I have is this one right here, and it's called Bauble. So that completes this video. I put on the color I like the best out of the 3, and that was Room Service. I really didn't think I was gonna like this color, and I actually do like it a lot. Like, I really like what it looks like. Also, the wands in these lipsticks are really nice. Like, I could really go around my lips and not mess up a lot. I really like that as well on these lipsticks. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.